Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Now, the SoundPEATS Sonic is probably one of the best earbuds you can get under $100 US. It retails for 60 bucks. And for this price, you are getting specs and features that are pretty cutting edge, like support for the latest Bluetooth 5.2 protocol, IPX5 water resistance, up to 35 hours of battery in total, with up to 15 hours of charge in the earbuds themselves. That's pretty impressive. I mean, at this price, you don't see many brands with earbuds that can endure up to 10 hours, let alone 15 hours. And I'm also talking about earbuds at the higher price points, like the AirPods Pro or the Sony WF-1000XM3. But what I'm really excited about is the fact that these earbuds support AptX Adaptive. These are probably the only ones I've reviewed on this channel that has AptX Adaptive support. So how is AptX Adaptive different from regular AptX? Well, unlike regular AptX that streams at a fixed bit rate, we're talking about 384 kilobits per second, AptX Adaptive is able to expand and contract the size of audio data or the bit rate, depending on what you're streaming from your phone. This has two main benefits. Number one, it helps to improve the reliability of your Bluetooth connection, since it's able to adapt to different wirelessly challenging environments. For example, in crowded places where everyone's using Bluetooth on their phones, it's able to compress your audio into a smaller size so that it's easier to stream and maintain a Bluetooth connection. And in the best conditions, it will allow your phone to stream at a higher bit rate so that you can get better audio quality. We're looking at a bitrate range of between 280 kilobits per second to 420 kilobits per second. Yes, it may not go as high as the bitrate of aptX HD, but Qualcomm says that aptX adaptive technology can give the same audio quality at 420 kilobits per second as the 576 kilobits per second that aptX HD delivers. Number two, it also senses what you're streaming and automatically adapts to the best settings for that purpose. So whether you're streaming video or just listening to music, it will adapt accordingly to give you the best quality possible. That sounds pretty amazing. Now, what if your device doesn't support aptX Adaptive? Well, you don't have to worry, because aptX Adaptive is backwards compatible with both aptX and aptX HD. So while you can't enjoy most of aptX Adaptive's new features, you can still enjoy the bit rates that these codecs offer. What's also special about aptX Adaptive is that it has a low latency mode for gaming. This is implemented in the SoundPEATS Sonic as gaming mode, and later we will be testing that and comparing it against another pair that also has gaming mode and also costs $60, the Earphone 3 Pro. I will also be covering its fit, sound quality, and phone call quality, so don't go away. By the way guys, if you want to see more content like this one from this channel, please consider subscribing and ringing the notifications bell so that you never miss another video from this channel. Now, in terms of fit and stability, I feel that the Sonic's fit is pretty stable. Its ear tips can actually be pushed deep into my ear canals, offering great noise isolation and stability. However, its nozzles are a little too long, and this is preventing the earbuds from nestling properly in the conch of my ears. This means that it's relying entirely on the ear tips to stay in place. And if my ear canals ever get too waxy or too sweaty, these earbuds may slip out of my ears easily. If I wear them for too long, my ear canals can even get a little sore from this type of fit. I don't really get that with the Earphone 3 Pros because they've got a more shallow fit and they have these stability loops that add a bit more stability and snugness to its fit, which the Sonics don't have. They've also got active noise cancellation, so while they may not isolate as much noise as the Sonic, they do provide a decent level of silencing with active noise cancellation. If you want to know more about the Earphone 3 Pro, check out my review over here. Okay, so let's talk about the Sonic's sound quality. What's really striking about the SoundPEATS Sonic is its bass performance. I will describe its bass as powerful and meaty, with very low bass extension and a loud upper bass range. Now, some people may feel that its bass can be a bit overwhelming, but if you're a bass head, I highly recommend that you take a look at the Sonic because of its bass performance. It also has a warm and glowy sound signature with a pretty heavy emphasis on the mid-range. It's also got great track separation and sound staging. In short, these can be pretty exciting to listen to. However, if you're looking for cleaner track separation and a more sparkling and brighter sound signature, the 3 Pros can definitely offer that. And it also still puts out much of the bass that the Sonic can generate. So in terms of bass performance, you're not going to be disappointed by what the 3 Pros offer. So overall, I feel that the 3 Pros sound cleaner, yes, but if you love an extra dose of bass and excitement, the SoundPEATS Sonic is the one for you. Now we're going to compare their phone call quality. So this is how it's going to go. I'm going to play some really loud cafe-style background noise to simulate making a phone call in a noisy cafe, and I'm going to record a voice memo on my phone using these earbuds. Let's compare the phone call quality of the Sonic to the 3 Pro. Background noise, SoundPEATS Sonic, record. I'm now making a phone call in a noisy place using the SoundPEATS Sonic. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Background noise, Earphone 3 Pro, record. I'm now making a phone call in a noisy place using the Earphone 3 Pro. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I think in terms of phone call quality, the SoundPEATS, well, they did pretty okay in terms of background noise cancelling, but the Earphone 3 Pro overall had better phone call quality because it cancels more background noise and at the same time, it amplified my voice sharper and clearer than the SoundPEATS Sonic. So in terms of phone call quality, the Earphone 3 Pros take the cake. Now we're going to compare their Bluetooth audio lag, as in how much Bluetooth audio lag these earbuds have when playing video games and watching videos on both your Apple and Android devices. Now, like I said before, I'm going to switch on gaming mode because the 3 Pro also has gaming mode, so it makes sense to compare them based on this benchmark. The Apple device that I'm going to use is the iPhone SE 2020. For Android, I'm going to use the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. First, the gaming audio lag test. As a reference point, let's see what no lag looks like on the iPhone SE. This is audio straight from the iPhone speaker, so no lag. Now the SoundPEATS Sonic, then the Earphone 3 Pro. And then we repeat the same test on the S21 Ultra. I am very surprised by the results. The SoundPEATS Sonic on gaming mode easily has one of the lowest latencies I have ever seen for gaming on an iOS device. It hit as low as 91 milliseconds on iOS. That's better than the AirPods Pro, by the way. This means that when you're gaming on an iOS device, you're gonna barely notice the audio lag. It is also a tiny bit faster on Android than the 3 Pro, clocking in at around 250 milliseconds. Now, to be honest, I was expecting it to do a little better on Android, but at least for iOS device users, gaming will be a lot more fluid with these earbuds than with most other earbuds in the market. But what about when you're watching videos on your phone? Well, in this case, you won't be getting any noticeable lag either because video apps like YouTube or Netflix have latency correction baked into its code so that it will automatically correct for audio to video lag by delaying the video so that it synchronizes better with the audio, like this. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Now, in my last video, talking about the latest leaks of the Sony WF-1000XM4, one of the most common reactions I got was, "But I just bought the XM3 earbuds! No!" Well, in today's video, we're gonna talk about whether it's... Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Now, in my last video, talking about the latest leaks of the Sony WF-1000XM4, one of the most common reactions I got was, "But I just bought the XM3 earbuds! No!" Well, in today's video, we're gonna talk about whether it's still worth buying the XM3 earbuds now. Overall, the main reasons why you should be looking at the SoundPEATS Sonic is its great battery life, great sound quality with powerful bass. It doesn't have some features that I would have liked to see, such as wireless charging, stability fins, and transparency mode, which is basically using the microphones inside the earbuds to pass through ambient sound. These are things that the Earphone 3 Pros have, which is why I regard the 3 Pros as one of the best value for money earbuds you can buy for $60. It's also got active noise cancelling, so this makes it even better value for money. But if you need something with longer battery life and more powerful bass, you should definitely look at the SoundPEATS Sonic. So, what do you guys think? SoundPEATS Sonic or the Earphone 3 Pros? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by smashing that like button and sharing this video with your friends and with your family. That will really help me beat YouTube's brutal algorithm. And if you'd like to see more content from this channel, more reviews, comparisons, and tutorials, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. A big shout out to my patrons who support this channel by contributing $1 or more per month through the crowdfunding website Patreon. By supporting my work on Patreon like these guys, not only can you help keep this show going, you gain rewards like a personalized thank you video that is yours to keep forever, exclusive live streams, and special access to my patrons only channel on Discord. And at the highest tier level, you can even get free merch. So please join me on Patreon if you'd like to support my work. Link is in my description box. Once again, thanks for watching. Do widzenia.